Today, we are looking at Chery's most ambitious flagship sedan yet, the Chery Fulwin A9L. A vehicle that combines luxury, performance, safety, and tech like never before in its class. The A9L's design is grounded in golden ratios, inspired by high-end brands like Maybach. With a commanding 5.32-meter length, a wide stance, and semi-hidden dual dragonfish door handles, it oozes premium from every angle. And the details matter. From a 10-layer liquid metal paint that shimmers in the sun, to a speed-activated rear spoiler that kicks in at high speeds to improve stability. Chery's engineers ran over 100 wind tunnel tests, achieving a class-leading drag coefficient of 0.23. It's as functional as it is beautiful. Step inside, and it's luxury all the way. There's over 13 meters of ambient lighting with safety-integrated functions. The seats? They're zero-gravity recliners with a 13-layer comfort structure rivaling Maybach-level spaciousness. Rear passengers even get their own section of a panoramic glass roof, complete with UV-blocking physical shades and reinforced beams for safety. Inside, the A9L's AI cockpit, powered by a Qualcomm 8255 chip, responds to 40-plus voice commands without lag. And when it comes to audio, the Boyaa 7.1.4 surround system with 23 speakers delivers a concert-like experience, intelligently adjusting based on the number of passengers. Under the hood, Chery's Kunpeng Super Hybrid CDM 6.0 takes center stage. With 260 kilometers of pure electric range, 45.79% engine thermal efficiency, and an in-house Rhino blade battery, the A9L can go over 500 kilometers on a full charge and tank combined. Fast charging? From 30 to 80% in just 14.5 minutes. The A9L isn't just smooth, it's sporty and responsive too. Featuring a premium suspension setup with double wishbones and a Bosch IPB 2.0 braking system with 6-piston calipers, it stops from 100 kilometers per h in only 34 meters. Better than many performance cars. When it comes to safety, Chery's gone above and beyond. The body includes over 88% high-strength steel, with key areas using material strong enough to support 5 elephants per square centimeter. With 9 airbags, extended airbag pressure duration, and over 20 active safety systems, this car protects in every scenario. For those who dread tight spaces, the A9L introduces reverse tracking and strongest parking tech, capable of handling tight mechanical lots with just 2.5 centimeters clearance on each side. Now for the best part, value. The A9L starts from just $21,000, or as low as $19,500 with early bird deals. That's true C-class luxury at a near B-class price. With its blend of beauty, brains, and brute power, the Chery Fulwin A9L might just redefine what affordable luxury means. Your host says, it's not just a car, it's a statement. See it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of next-gen cars. See you in the next one.